what exactly is tool signature for a single point cutting tool. So, students, if you look at a single point cutting tool, that single point cutting tool looks like, this to you. That single point cutting tool will be like this. Yes? This single point cutting tool, yes, it looks like this. Here, this is what you call as the shank of the tool, and this shank is what? This shank is the main body of the cutting tool, which is used to be held onto the tool post with the help of fasteners. Then, the same cutting tool, if you observe it during the turning operation, then during turning, the same cutting tool will appear something like this. Let us say this is your workpiece, a cylindrical workpiece that you are going to turn. Turning means we are going to reduce its diameter along its length, and this tool while turning will appear a bit like this to you. Observe. This is how the single point cutting tool will look like during the turning operation. Here, this workpiece which you are looking at is actually rotating at certain speed, let us say n, and you are feeding this tool in that direction so that the diameter of this workpiece, cylindrical workpiece, can be reduced along its length. Whatever tool I have shown you here, the same tool is there. So my dear, now let me name here few points are there, like let us say this point here is 0, that point here is let us say 1, this point is 2, down here let us say this point is 3 there, and down here let us say this point is 4. Okay, now if you observe here, this point is 0, that side this is 1, this side this is like 2, this point is 3. Yes, the way 0, 1, 2, 3, same way 0, 1 and 2, 3. I hope you are understanding. In this single point cutting tool, 0, 1 and 0, 2 both are cutting edges. But if you observe the tool very closely, you understand that both are cutting edges, that is 0, 1 is also a cutting edge, 0, 2 is also a cutting edge, but out of 0, 1 and 0, 2, 0, 1 is in the side of the tool and 0, 2 is at the end of the cutting tool. That's why this 0, 1 is what we call as side cutting edge and 0, 2 is what we call as end cutting edge. So this 0, 1 here, my dear lovely students, is what we call as side cutting edge, and 0, 2 is what we name as end cutting edge.